Myself, Mr. Tejas Patel. I am working at Nursing Tutor at Chitri Nursing College and Prantish. Today I am demonstrating the process of urine sugar test in our nursing college lab. So my procedure is urine sugar test. Definition of urine sugar test. The urine sugar test is defined as the absolute high level of sugar or glucose in urine. Next step is the purposes of urine sugar test. So the first purpose is to early diagnosis of diabetes, then to find out the glucose level in urine, and then other purpose is to find out the any deformity in urine, kidney and blood and other systems of our body. Urine sugar test is mainly conducted in community area. This process is mainly find out the community in the early test of the diabetes mellitus of community area patient. The article mainly used are test tube stand, test tube holder, spirit lamp, syringe, genetic solution, urine dropper or match box. These articles are used for the efficiency and check the urine sugar level in urine. The next step of the procedure of urine sugar test. The first step is to take the 5 ml of Benedict solution in test tube. Then the test tube is filled with the test tube holder and flame on the spirit lamp and take a 2 to 3 minutes of heat to the check of efficiency of Benedict solution. If no color changes in Benedict solution, that indicates the no expiration of Benedict solution. Then after no color changes, the test tube is hold with the test tube stand and take a urine to in test tube with Benedict solution. In test tube, take a 8 to 10 drop of urine with the sliding with the wall of the test tube. Then mixing the solution of Benedict solution and urine. After mixing of the Benedict solution and urine, take a 2 to 3 minutes of flame and check the color changes in Benedict solution. This take a 2 to 3 minutes to changes in color of the Benedict solution. Take a time and check the original result of the urine sugar test. After the heating of Benedict solution with urine in test tube, then rest 2 to 3 minutes to cool down the solution and check the color changes in Benedict solution. In this procedure, the no color changes in Benedict solution that indicates the no sugar presence in this urine. That is the no diabetes mellitus or no kidney deformity present in this patient's urine. This is the main purpose of this procedure to early diagnosis and find out the diabetes mellitus in the patient. Next of procedure, the color changes of Benedict solution with the heating of spirit lamp. The no color changes in Benedict solution like blue that indicates 0% of glucose. The color changes indicates the green, it is the 1% of glucose. Then after the color changes is yellow, this is indicate 2%. Then orange is 3%, and brick red, the red color is indicate the 4 and more percentage glucose in the urine. This is high level of glucose indicates the patient in insulin problem, any liver disease, any other kind of digestive system disease and blood deformity that indicates the diabetes mellitus and different type of the disease in the patient's body. In the aftercare, wash all articles in clean and soap water and replace their respective area of their place and use of the next procedure. I hope you guys understanding this procedure, and this is help for your practical in community and your hospital side. This is very useful content to you. Thank you.